How much should you actually spend on fly spray for horses? You see options ranging from budget-friendly to premium prices, but which one really works? It's not always about how much you spend. You need to know what truly protects your horse from those pesky flies. Product number 1, Absorbine Ultra Shield EX. Let's kick things off with the Absorbine Ultra Shield EX. This fly spray caught my eye right away with its powerful claims and bestseller badge, priced at $79.19. If you want unbeatable protection for your horse against over 70 types of insects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features Ultra Bond technology, which means it can provide protection for up to 17 days, even in the toughest conditions. So if you're dealing with a particularly buggy summer, this spray is your best friend. Plus, it's ready to use right out of the bottle, so no mixing is required. Just spray and go. It also includes sunscreens and coat conditioners, which means your horse's coat stays healthy and shiny while being protected. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about protecting your horse from flies and other pests for the long haul, this investment can save you a lot of headaches and vet bills down the road. This is perfect for you if you have multiple horses or live in a fly-prone area. Skip this one if you only need occasional fly protection or if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. It's definitely a solid value for the money. Alright, if Ultra Shield's price bothered you, the next one may be more up your alley. Product number 2, Farnam Repellex P Concentrated Fly Spray. Next up is the Farnam Repellex P Concentrated Fly Spray, priced at just $20.93. This caught my attention because it's a concentrate, which means better value for your buck. If you want effective protection that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This product is designed to be mixed with water, creating up to 4 quarts of ready-to-use spray. It targets barn flies, gnats, and mosquitoes effectively, which is crucial for keeping your horses comfortable. It's safe for both horses and dogs, so you're getting a multi-use product that covers your pets as well. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 1,400 reviews, buyers seem to appreciate its effectiveness. However, some users found that mixing it properly can be a bit messy or confusing. I get that. It can be frustrating. But once you nail down the mixing ratio, you'll have a powerful spray that lasts. This is perfect for you if you want an economical option that provides good coverage for both your horses and pets. Skip this one if you prefer a ready-to-use formula without any mixing needed. It's a solid choice for those wanting to save on fly spray. That was a great option, but if you're looking for something even more potent, the next product might surprise you. Product number 3, Farnam Repellex P Fly Spray Concentrate. Now let's talk about the Farnam Repellex P Fly Spray Concentrate, which is a step up from the last one. Priced at $46.99. This concentrate makes 8 quarts of fly spray, which is fantastic value. If you're looking for bulk protection, this is worth a serious look. Just like its smaller counterpart, this one contains permethrin, which effectively repels barn flies, mosquitoes, ticks, and lice. It's well suited for use in stables and pastures, keeping your environment fly-free. The fact that it's also safe for dogs makes it even more appealing, especially if you have multiple animals to care for. Some customers mentioned that the scent can be quite strong, which can be off-putting. I'll be real with you, a strong smell can linger, but think about it. What matters is how well it repels the pests, right? This is perfect for you if you're maintaining a larger property with several animals. Skip this one if you prefer something with a milder scent or if you only have a horse or two. For the amount you get, it's a pretty good deal. Alright, that was a solid choice, but if you want something that provides lasting protection, check this next one out. Product number 4, Piranha Wipe and Spray. Next, we have the Piranha Wipe and Spray, a favorite among equestrians priced at $79.28. What really caught my attention is its oil-based formula and the fact that it claims to provide long-lasting protection against over 70 species of pests. If you want something that's trusted for heavy-duty protection, this is worth a serious look. This fly spray is designed to be effective even in sweat and dirt, which is a game changer if you're in humid conditions or your horse is working hard. The lanolin in the spray also conditions the coat, leaving it shiny and healthy. Plus, the pleasant citronella scent makes it enjoyable to use. However, some users pointed out that the oiliness can be a bit much, especially if you're not used to it. It can feel greasy on the hands, which might not be ideal for everyone. But personally, I think the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, all-season fly spray that also conditions your horse's coat. Skip this one if you want a lightweight spray without any oiliness. It's a solid investment, given its effectiveness and size. Now, if you're looking for something more natural, the next product could be right up your alley. Product number 5, Absorbine Ultra Shield Green. Finally, we have the Absorbine Ultra Shield Green, priced at $23.59. This caught my attention because it's an eco-friendly option that uses natural ingredients. If you're looking for a safe and effective fly spray for your horse and the environment, this is worth a serious look. This formula is made with 7 essential botanical oils, offering protection against biting flies, mosquitoes, ticks, and gnats. The water-based formulation ensures it's safe for everyday use, meaning you don't have to worry about over-applying. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, people seem to appreciate its effectiveness without harsh chemicals. However, some users reported that it doesn't last as long as some chemical alternatives. Honestly, this can be a concern if you're in a heavy fly area. But if you're looking for something that's safer for your horse and the environment, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you're environmentally conscious and want a daily use fly spray. Skip this one if you need intense, long-lasting protection in high fly areas. It's a worthwhile product considering its safety and effectiveness. Now that we've covered all 5, let's wrap this up. So, to wrap it all up, we have the Absorbine Ultra Shield EX and Perennial Wipe and Spray for heavy-duty protection, while the Farnham Repellex options offer good value for those on a budget. If you're leaning towards eco-friendly solutions, the Absorbine Ultra Shield Green is a solid pick. Choose based on your needs, and you'll definitely keep those flies at bay.